Hi, my name is David Perez over at Bill Caldwell Ford. Today I'll be showing you how to activate your climate control and some quick features and tips.
So we'll start in the main screen here. We're going to hit the climate control button. I'm going to walk you through and just explaining what each of these boxes or these icons refer to. So the very first one on top is going to be your heated steering wheel. Once that turns red, that's going to be activated for us. This vehicle is equipped with dual climate control. So the driver and passenger side can have their own specific temperature. So automatically you can just change the driver setting to whatever temperature you want. But if the passenger would like to be of a higher or lower temperature, they can automatically just hit and it'll go right to that temperature and adjust right away. From the middle section here where it has defrost, you have different selections as far as rear and then your front and your front max. You can select whichever one you prefer or both. Then we can select which way we want to have the temperature going through, such as your mid, your lower, or just your legs. Then you have your selection with the AC on or off and circulating. If you have a third row vehicle, you do have your rear climate control where you can lock it out. What that means is that the passengers in the back in the third row seating / second row seating, they'd be able to adjust the climate control themselves, or you can lock them up here. So for a good example, the auto button that you see on top of the defrost is if you jump in your vehicle and you want to optimize a temperature, set the temperature and then hit auto. Another way to adjust your climate control is hitting the voice command button.
Please say a command.
Climate.
Climate. Please say a command.
Set temperature.
Please say the temperature.
65.
Did you say 65 degrees?
Yes.
Setting temperature to 65 degrees.
For further information, please contact us at Bill Caldwell Ford. Again, my name is David Perez. Thank you for tuning in.